Hey, what's up, Tim? It's Chris. I wanted to show you what I've kind of come up with here with regards to the whole reusable panel with infinite scroll and so on and so forth. Oh, and just like total cleanup. So what we've done here with Inkabinka is added an intermediate step in between going directly to the story. So what'll happen when you click that, that's when we actually load up the stories for that topic, and it's basically in pages of 20. So it loads 20. This is all custom, and what will happen is once I hit an edge, I think I have it at when you're 10 out, go and ask for 20 more. It'll, infinite scroll. So that's all cool. It won't ask for the same edge twice, which is great. So what I wanted is when you close that and you go to another topic, now it fired to get that data, right? It's pretty straightforward at this point, but this is reusing the same exact control that I made. I call it a film strip control. I don't know why, but it's basically ContainerSurface, and it dynamically is loading in the stories, right? Still obvious, but where it gets cool is if we go and take a look at the elements of this guy. So here's the actual container that the stories are being loaded dynamically, and these are the ones that are just in view, plus a couple more so that it can start preloading the image. I was playing around with that. So this is what this looks like from a DOM standpoint. See if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Basically, it's never growing more than plus or minus, one every once in a while, which is super cool because I can go back as far as I want. Really, it'll keep loading data, and the DOM only has to. Oh, you get it. You know what I'm saying? So when I load this again, here's that same element. This guy, the same exact one. All the Z indexing is all happening, and everybody's happy in terms of DOM and performance. This works really good on the mobile web. The other thing I added was just a simple audit function to entity to just tell me what is that thing looking like right now? What's the state of the entities collection? Because I think part of the cleanup is, number one, don't have it go to the DOM. Number two, remove it from the container surface. So in that case, it's what, context, node, child, array. So it wipes it out from there every time you close. And then there's entities. And I think that's what we talked about, like that's total cleanup, but tell me, correct me if I'm wrong on that. So if I fire this up again, serve that, and what we can do is when I click this button, the entity audit will fire, and it'll tell me what, before the new story's loaded, what's in the entities array. So here's what that looks like, right? There's 140 objects, and they all have object types. So what happens is when I close it, I extended the container surface to have a cleanup function, keeps track of the ideas, and has to wait a frame to just work. So what happens is when I click this again, this is now going to show again all the entities in the array that existed before it asked for new ones. So you can see what happened with 140 to 163, they've all been nulled out. So I think that's total cleanup, but let me know, dude. Thanks.